Please like, share, and subscribe if you want to watch more videos from us.
Thanks for watching.
Vocabulary. Library. Library. I visit the library to borrow books. I visit the library to borrow books. Librarian. Librarian. The librarian helps me find the books I need. The librarian helps me find the books I need. Library card. Library card. I have a library card to check out books. I have a library card to check out books. Student card. Student card. I use my student card to access library resources. I use my student card to access library resources. Bookshelf. Bookshelf. The bookshelf holds a variety of titles. The bookshelf holds a variety of titles. Table. Chair. Table. Chair. I sit at a table with a comfortable chair to study. I sit at a table with a comfortable chair to study. Storybooks. Storybooks. The library offers a collection of storybooks for children. The library offers a collection of storybooks for children. Read. Read. I read a book to relax and unwind. I read a book to relax and unwind. Borrow. Borrow. I borrow books from the library regularly. I borrow books from the library regularly. Return. Return. I always return books to the library on time. I always return books to the library on time. Return box. Return box. After reading, I return the books in the designated return box. After reading, I return the books in the designated return box. Study. Study. I often study at the library for my exams. I often study at the library for my exams. Computer. Computer. I use computers at the library for research purposes. I use computers at the library for research purposes. Browse. Browse. I browse through the library's collection to find interesting books. I browse through the library's collection to find interesting books. Write. Write. I write essays and assignments at the library. I write essays and assignments at the library. Audiobook. Audiobook. I listen to audiobooks during my free time. I listen to audiobooks during my free time. Read aloud. Read aloud. The librarian reads aloud to children during story time. The librarian reads aloud to children during story time. Visit. Visit. I regularly visit the library to read, study, and explore new books. I regularly visit the library to read, study, and explore new books.